Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your HOTWAV Pad 8. So in the first step, open the Play Store, tap on the search bar and look for the Fax app. Choose EasyFax, install it and open. To show your free credits banner, restart the application if you want to send your message for free. Click on the plus and choose search for document. I'm gonna pick something from my gallery, like this photo. Now click on the import icon. Now you can add this shape to your document or the picture. And if you're ready, click on the arrow icon. Now choose the filter for a photo to make it more visible. If you're ready, click on the accept icon. Type the number in this place. Choose the country from the list. And to send the message, just click on this button. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.